Hello there, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Avenasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you how I made this delicious grilled shrimp salad with my homemade cilantro lime dressing. Let's get right into it. I'm seasoning my shrimps with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and salt. I'll mix everything together and then we'll go right ahead to grill. If you have time on your hand, you can keep it in your refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. Before grilling your shrimps, please make sure to spray your grill pan. I'll be grilling the shrimps for about 3 minutes on each side. If today is your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe if you have not done so. The shrimp has grilled beautifully, so I'll remove it from the grill pan and set it on the side. Time to make the salad dressing. I'll add in half a cup of cilantro leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, and then I'll squeeze in 1 whole lime. You can add more lime if you prefer. I'll add in a piece of jalapeno pepper, scallion, and then a tablespoon of honey. You can add the honey according to your taste. I'll add in olive oil. This is about half a cup of that, salt and black pepper, and then I'll blend until very smooth. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. Thanks for always sharing my videos and commenting. Salad dressing is nicely blended, so I'll keep it in my refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. You can use any lettuce or leafy greens to create the salad, but in this recipe I'm using mesclun salad, which is a combination of arugula, endive, red and green lettuce, some spinach, frisee, radicchio, or use any type of lettuce to create this recipe. So I've added in my greens, I've added in some carrots, some red onions, radishes, cucumbers, and you can add them in any order you prefer. I'm adding in some sliced tomatoes and then I'll add in some avocado, guys. Yes, I love avocado with shrimps. I'll add in my grilled shrimps. It has cooled down, so it is perfect to add it at this time. And then we'll come in with my homemade cilantro dressing. This was so delicious. My daughter was like, "Oh, mom, you have to remake this salad again." It was so good, and I'm definitely gonna make it again for the family. I hope you give this a try, guys. And if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. I also make sure to leave the ingredients in my description, so please kindly check it out. Now, until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.